Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a 2016 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. This boat's been on fresh water. It's a 200 boat, loaded with all the options everybody likes. We got the sure shade up top, hydraulic swim platform with the built-in steps down below. We got the Kenya grill in the back with the sink and great storage compartments down below too. Let's walk in the cockpit. You see right now, we got some teak, natural teak on the cockpit, part of the swim platform. I like it's got the nice upgraded cockpit table on here. It can swing around to give you more room to get in and out of the seat. So got some storage underneath there, storage down here. You've probably seen them before, but yeah, these two panels can slide all the way this way and totally open up the cockpit to the salon. But on a warm day like today, everybody likes to step in here to the air conditioner. So inside, you see we got massive windows, seating on both sides, a good TV on it, good sized galley. So the salon and galley is up, so everybody can be part of the fun and be right on the water and look outside. It's nice to have that. He's got both the table and the ottoman option on here, which is nice to have both. You know, it's got the optional slide down privacy curtain, so at nighttime or block the sun, you can easily drop the drapes down, otherwise put them up out of the way. So the boat has, I think, 160 hours on it, Cummins engines. It does have the joystick control, so it's got a bow thruster on it. So with the joystick control, it'll work the shifters for you and also hit the bow thruster, walk sideways. So really nice setup. Great electronics on the boat, what we've seen in them all. Opening windows on each side, that's an option to have them both. And also we got the opening sunroof. Let's step down below and take a look. As you walk down the stairs, what I really like about it, all these rooms are on a separate air conditioner, so if you got the glass doors open, all these rooms stay cool, even though the cold air in the back is sliding out the back door. Your guests are going to step right down on this umbrella runners and go right into this head compartment, which you have a separate shower. So nice and roomy, AC vents in here, a really nice roomy. And I like this other door that takes you directly into the owner's suite. What's nice about that is at nighttime, when you're in the main stateroom, forward, you have private access right to the head and shower. But a great centerline bed, easy to get off either side, helps make the bed and everything else. But massive windows. We've got drapes to close them up at nighttime. It really lets in a lot of natural light. So they did a great job on it. This is the one head layout boat. So if one head and shower is enough for you on the 400 Sundancer, I really love how much storage you have. You got lockers here, hanging lockers, storage back on the back side, shelves on this side. There's a little pull-out vanity, that drawer that comes out here. You got a stool there, storage everywhere. So a great layout, but so much room in here without that second head kind of squeezing you in. There's a lot of room in this boat. Let's walk back through here. So the mid cabin, some owners may choose to sleep back here. You can if you like sleeping in the aft of the boat a little bit better. So there's two twin beds down here, really nice beds. You can pull out that little filler tray, slide the beds together and lock them into place. So you can have one big bed back here in the back, their own TV. All these are storage compartments. You know, great counter space on the top, another hanging locker in there, central vacuum, everything's down here. I really like this option to have the extra storage. Standard with just another third bed down here, but with so many windows up top, they kind of lost some cabinet space. So why not store all your stuff down here, leave big windows in the salon and galley, so during the day you can look out to all your friends and family on the water having fun. This is a 2016 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer on Lake Lewisville. My office is at Pier 121 Marina. My name is Robert Moody. If you have any questions about this boat or any other my other listings, please give me a call at 214-244-5535. Thank you.